Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, one of you asked me to make a video about how to have Office 2019 for free. So for that, first go to your Chrome browser. Now I will give the links in the description. Please follow those links. First of all, go to this link which I'm going to give. Now go to this website, which is techspot.com/windows/687/ISO-download-tool.html. I'll give the links in the description. Now click on download now. Wait for it. Okay, now it is going to download. It is going to take a few minutes, so please be patient and wait. Zoom karo. Okay, now you can see the tool has downloaded. So now we can just simply click on it and click open when done. If yours has finished. Now it will show security warning because we are downloading from an unknown site. Just click run. Now please wait for the app. It will take some few seconds to open up. It's a kind of a slow app. So it has opened up. Now it will show the Windows section ISO files. Now go to Office. Now select the version of Office which you want to use. I am clicking Office 2019. Now select your edition. I would recommend Office 2019 Professional Plus, and then the product language, in which language you use your computer. I am using English US, and click download. Now we have to just wait for it to download, and it will open up in your default browser. The process will take roughly around 30 minutes to 1 hour to download. So please be patient while the file is downloading. So okay, the download has finished. We have come back. Now we just have to open it. Click show in folder if you're using Windows. Then now it will show up an ISO file. You don't need any USB flash drives. Just double click on it. Make sure to have lots of disk space because it is kind of a very big file. So okay, now we have got a CD drive. In the drive section we had only 3 drives. Now we have an extra drive. Now go up, and now you can see setup. Just double click on it. It will just set up Microsoft Office 2019. Now you can close all your browsers. Now this will show up a warning. Just simply click yes. Please be assured that this will not take any USB flash drives. Now let it just finish to start the setup. And now you can also close the Windows ISO file, Chrome browser, but do not. Now if you're having a 64-bit, this might show a little bit of trouble because it's recommended for 32-bit. Then you have to select install 64-bit, and if you have 32-bit, that's okay, it will automatically install. Just select install 64-bit. If you have a 64-bit CPU, it's always good to check on it. Okay, now I think the setup might be starting. Yep, there's a setup. Just click on it. Still getting things ready. So now it has come to this position called Microsoft Office is installing, and all the Office 4 apps are installing. Now these Microsoft Office will now install MS Word 2019, MS Excel 2019, MS PowerPoint 2019, Outlook 2019, Note 2019, Publisher 2019, Access 2019, and Skype 2019. We will come back when the setup has finished. So as we can see, we have completed the setup. It took roughly around 10 minutes. Now Office is installed. We can safely close it. So that's it. Now we just close that. Now we have to find out if it really had installed. So now go to your apps section in Windows 10 or Windows 7. So let's expand that. Now go down. Yep, a Microsoft Excel. Then we have got Microsoft Office tools, Office, OneNote 26. We have got the 2019. So that's it for the end of this video. If you like the video, give a like and subscribe to our channel. And next this video we are gonna upload part 2 next day. Please subscribe to our channel so you can be the first one to receive all our notifications. The part 2 video will show how you can what do you call it, Microsoft Word activation, how you can activate a full Office by not paying a huge sum for free, which is actually illegal, but nobody will catch you. So that's this for the end of this video. So bye guys.